Feature Engine has a module dedicated to the imputation of missing data. So it simplifies the process of handling missing data, which is a common challenge in most datasets. Feature Engine supports various imputation methods like imputation with the mean, the median, or the most frequent category, as well as imputation with arbitrary values, arbitrary strings for categories, imputation with random extractions of data, and it also has the option to drop observations with missing data and add missing indicators. With these tools, you can ensure your data is complete and ready for analysis and suitable for the different machine learning models and their expectations about the data distributions. So check it out and let us know how you find it in the comments. And if you are a fan of Feature Engine already, please like or share this video and help us spread the word.